36. 36 na lang tanan. And she believes ang mais na namin nagagabindi kay Mingming. Maganda ko rin tayo. Her hobbies: bingo, tungin, madsong, tulog, kaon, tulog, tulog, luwa. Abronilo, Daga, Lucas. Our candidate number 2 is Mrs. Annalyn Perez, wearing red gown as a symbol of New Yanggao. Our candidate number 2, aka Dada, a 48 years old stunner from Barangay Aguinaldo, Lapan, Iloilo City. She is a widow. If you want to apply, bring your Lana. Her hobbies: dancing, singing, bingoing, mironing, flying, otoning, lawasing, aswanging. And she believes if you want to fly, ask Tioy Robert. Our candidate number 2 is Annalyn Pereño, the mother of Papa. Budak, ganyan, yelyen, kuling, toko. Thank you very much, candidate number 2, for the long jump competition. And please welcome our candidate number 3, ang Reyna ng Hiwaga, Mrs. Marilyn Cañares. AKA Pumpkin, a 51 years old lady standing 4 feet below the ground. A wife of Mr. Cherry Cañares, aka Nonoy. And the yellow corner, she likes macho, poker, tong-in, tombo, all-in, rumble. Ay, ito tanan, manang imo yan. And she also believes kung kayo'y ma-depress, sa akin nadidepress ang aking inuutangan. Tandaan nyo, kung kayo ay na-depress sa inyong utang, sa akin ang utang ang nadidepress. She is in the team center of ASA Foundation Philippines every Wednesday. Our candidate Gonzales. AKA Nickname Lilia Contapay, ang pabasang aswang ng Pilipinas. Nickname ang utot ni Kumpol, Magni Didi Bayen. Matapos ang utot ko. She is the wife of Mr. Abrel Ardales. And she believes, habang may buhay, walang untak na malayran si Manal. Mabuhay kayo! Carbon, si City, Asa, at iba pa. Hair Happy, making sumanlating, inday-inday, bitso-bitso, mwasi mais, and the rest is ukoy. Ang ukoy mo nikik, makalimot sa problema. Pero kada Merkules, asa ang problema. Our candidate number 4, Elizabeth Ardales Yuda Dino Viles. And now, our candidate number 5, perfect. Our candidate number 5 is Mayla Watson Pistor, a 43 years old, aka Mayla, a mother of Brooklyn, and a wife of Brooklyn. Ayos ka, Mayla. And she believes, Samansuman, wala na sa iban, kundi si Mayla lamang ang pwede lang may maisan. She is wearing a secret like bangus. Ang babaeng pinaglihi sa kaliskis. From the name, Mayla Pistor. Ang babaeng kumakain ng haluan, puyo, and gourmet. Ay, kasi kami may lahat. Thank you very much, our candidate number 5, Mayla Pistor. And finally, ang babaeng pinaglihi sa mushroom. Ang dango uhong-uhong. Candidate number 6. Please welcome our candidate number 6 is Jasmine Sanchez Panato, aka Hasmin, a 53 years old with alambre ang lawas. Hair hobbies, Bolivia, expert na sa tapil. Joke lang nga, joke lang. Multi-unit, nipper, lotion, sabon, lotion, nail cutter. O tanan-tanan ko na lang imo yan. Ang babaeng nagbibenta ng kutsi, pero hindi naman gumanda. Hasmin, the mother of Gingging, and Tata, and Garlic, and Zilong Maymay. For your information, Hasmin is a very beautiful woman, wearing green and angel. Magbaan ko, may gawa na di base. And she believes, kung gusto niyong gumaganda, setapil ko ang resulta. Ang babaeng nagmula sa langit, bumaba sa lupa. No, wala lang nakabalo kung paano siya nagwa. Wearing green Angel. Di ba? Sige. Laka na lang. Ay, wala ka ulit. Sige. Thank you very much. May I request our 6 lovely candidates to please come up to stage. Next time, our next category is Q&A, question and answer portion. Let me remind everyone, yung question na to, very simple para sa mga naman. Amo na nila mga yun namon. May ka, hindi pag-ibo, diba sinapulbaan lang sila, wala may magahod kung ga-answer ang ating candidate. Kaya kulul ba, anak, hindi nyo feel ang nabing nilang alam sa stage. So, respect each other. At the end of the day, nanay mo na sila gyapon. Nanay man ka mo, and let's celebrate Mother.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.